years old, I stole the Diecast aeroplane from the corner store. I've always had this silly habit of holding on to things too tight. I didn't mean to take it, but that's no excuse. So my mom made me walk back inside. I was in tears as I showed it to the man behind the counter, and I think he understood. When I was 9 years old, I stole a skateboard from the sidewalk just outside somebody's house. I thought a while, and since their house looked pretty nice, well, I figured they could afford another one. Within a week I had removed the plastic wheels, and my friend painted my initials upon the bottom. We stood like sultans in the snow on the skateboard with no wheels, and then flew down St. Mary's Hill. When I was 13 years, I stole $25 from a Christmas tree in a church. That's right. There were paper mittens filled with generous donations, and I rooted past those checks to find the cat. That afternoon, I threw it squarely on the steps. And with false surprise, I picked it up. Mom let me spend it, but within a couple of nights, I had a dream that I was running from the law. When I was 17, I stole a drum set from my high school in an unmarked big brown box. What? I rode the elevator from the second to the first floor with an odd look upon my face. A couple of days of rock and roll in the basement, and I could hear a voice I thought was gone for good. I packed that unmarked big brown box up right away, and I rode the elevator back upstairs. And many more. Thank you. By the way,